In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly meeting times directly into your email. Whether you're coordinating meetings with clients, setting up interviews, or just arranging catch-ups, being able to seamlessly share your availability is crucial. Calendly offers a sleek and efficient way to do just that, making scheduling a breeze for both you and your correspondents. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can master this handy feature. Starting off first, you need to decide on the event type you want to share. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a group session, or any other event you've configured in your Calendly account. Once you've selected your preferred event type, you're going to click on the option to offer time slots in your email. This feature is designed to directly integrate your availability into your communications, reducing email back and forths and making it easier for your contacts to choose a time that suits them. Next, you'll need to set a schedule. Calendly allows you to customize the time slots you wish to offer by selecting specific days and times that you're available. Think about your availability and the time zones of your recipients, especially if they are in different parts of the country or even the world. This way, you can optimize the times that you offer, ensuring they are convenient for everyone involved. Once you've finalized your schedule, it's time to click on the Copy to Clipboard button. This action copies the schedulable time slots formatted neatly so that you can paste them directly into your email. Now that you have your time slots ready, open your email client. Navigate to the body of your email where you typically write your message. Here, you'll want to paste the schedule. This step is as simple as it sounds, but is incredibly powerful. By pasting the schedule, you're inserting a series of clickable times that allow your recipient to choose the slot that works best for them. They can click directly from the email, which leads them seamlessly into Calendly to confirm and book the appointment. Before you send off your email, consider adding a friendly note or instructions explaining what these links are. A simple sentence like, "Please choose a suitable time from the options below," can make the recipient more comfortable and aware of what action they need to take. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've effectively streamlined the scheduling process, saving time and reducing the hassle of back-and-forth communication. Practice this a few times, and you'll soon find that embedding Calendly meeting times into your emails becomes second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your scheduling efficiency. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy scheduling!